Today we'll talk about how can you find your shopping cart on your Temu app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find your shopping cart. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on cart down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find your shopping carts here in this list. It's going to show for you like you see here. So like you see, I have nothing in my shopping cart. But if you have here any items, you will find it in this list. It's going to show for you here in this list. So that's all you have to do to find it. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.